Hello, good night. Okay, on this?
Yeah.
Yeah, Kean, Apache can't chat to.
Patrick?
Yeah, man. You know, say your son, you have a son named Nigel.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You know, say Nigel, get my 14-year-old daughter pregnant lady.
You say?
Nigel, get my 14-year-old daughter pregnant. My daughter named Tish.
Me what?
Tish, my daughter named Tish.
Fish?
Yeah.
So this a Patrick here from where?
Baby girl, now I get you come from. You hear me?
Yeah.
On if she hear you. Hear me, baby girl? Me forgot. If you hear me, I'll call you back. I'm not hear nothing. Chat where I get there. I sent Mary. Come on, know if you tell she where me from. I get, Manda. I sent Mary. Patrick no places, you know why? Because Patrick have a whole heap of girls, so Patrick travel the whole of parish them. Yeah, Kean.
Yeah.
Yeah, me hear you now.
It's a Patrick?
Yes, this is Patrick, Tish father. You understand me? My daughter 14-year-old, you know.
From where?
I sent Mary me forward from. I sent Mary where I will come from, man.
Which part of St. Mary you live?
No, you not gonna ask me a question, you know, cause my head plug out right now, you know. Me I try my best to be respectful to you right now, you know, Miss Kean. You understand me? I get you come from.
Me?
Yeah, no, I get you come from.
No, dear.
Alright, boy, then that the little girl tell me.
You have one wrong number.
And okay on this, with a son named Nigel.
You have wrong number.
And a wrong number, you know, some don't forget dark for you night, yeah.
That's from me.
Kean. Kean. Your son named Nigel. You confirm that already, you know.
You come from Alligator.
Now send me where you come from.
I mean, after where you come from, where you
Saint Mary, Saint Mary.
You get me number from Papa.
Baby girl. And the little girl get it and give me, you know. I don't know how she get it, you know, but she get it and give. Because I have to box her up 2 times, you know, because school me send her a Port Maria me come from, you know. A school me send her. So I don't know how this happen right now.
Port Maria?
Yeah.
Sorry.
You understand me? Someone have to know what I go on, because right now, me go come for your boy. I don't know what to do right now, you know. Because if I follow my mind, if I follow my mind, night, you know.
Where your daughter name, how she look?
Tish.
Fish?
Yeah.
And which school she go?
Baby girl, how that important?
Nah, to me now, me not ask a question.
Boy, me tell you what.
Me not remember your.
Saint Mary, I, my daughter go, baby girl. Saint Mary, I. I'ma feel like you know my daughter and you just go around my head right now. You hear me, I say? You hear me? You hear me? Better you talk up now. I know I go out, I know I have to come for you and your boy, you know.
Me?
You and the boy, I know I have to come for you too, you know. Yar. Talk up no man. So what the boy do? Where him there?
Me don't know your daughter. Me don't know you.
So you know everybody who him there with, that you are tell me.
Me don't know you.
Yeah, what go on now? Yeah, what go on?
Me a listen.
Tish, I go carry the baby and you go take the baby, you know.
Okay.
You're good with that. Cause my daughter, a school she go. So you good with that.
Me get one wrong number, Papa. I swear.
What a coincidence. Kayan, we have a son named Nigel who come from St. Mary. A fool you take me for.
Me don't know your daughter.
Oh, you fi know my daughter. You know everybody with him there with. You hear me say you stress me out right now, you know.
Me stressed right now too.
You stress, but you no sound stressed.
So when do the stress?
Talk up no man, me not hear. What you say?
So when do the stress?
So what for go on? What go on with the belly? What go on?
Me don't know.
You hear me say you really sound stressed though, you know. You hear me say Kayan? Kayan?
Yeah, we saw.
You see Nigel and Tish. Them go sort out that. Fuck that. And me and you me a talk about right now. So what for go on? You have a man.
Who this?
A Patrick here chat. How much time you gonna ask me that baby girl, man? A Patrick this. Me a Tish father.
It's me of man.
No, cause me like how your son. Me like how your son.
If me of man will help it with you.
No, me like how your son. Matter of fact, a true you attack now, cause I'm a business boy here, man. So I for go on. Baby girl.
Nothing can go on.
Nothing can go on. Why? Why?
Listen.
Talk up now, baby girl. What you say? What you say? Oh.
You're doing those Jamaican nice.
Yeah, because I like how your son.
Me not like how your son.
You don't like how me son. Why?
How old are you?
Me a big man, man. Me a big man.
Give me information.
Give information. Me a 42, man.
So if your daughter pregnant?
No, me no business with them, and she go skin up. Me no business. No, me no business with that. Me no bother business with that. From me hear your voice, me no business. She and Nigel go start out that. You understand me?
Yeah.
Me talk about me and you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. It can't be me and you.
Why?
Every business only baby out born, how much more?
No, when the baby born that, we deal with that. You understand me? Yeah.
So she start no clinic already also?
No, you know, say, I wish you say 1 month hard, almost 2 months. Yeah. But you're concerned about the baby. We not talk about fear baby. Me want to put a baby in your belly. Yeah.
Pregnant already, me can't pregnant again.
No, you're not pregnant, man. A joke you make. Well, even if you're pregnant, you know, what a baby head now.
You know me?
No, me don't know you, you know. But me I say, even if you're pregnant, Patrick, what a baby head now.
Yes.
You say nothing can go on. You hear me as a baby girl, a joke me I make, here.
Who this?
A Patrick, but a joke Patrick I make.
And me ask but this a Patrick come from?
Patrick come from all over Jamaica, baby girl, but big up. It's a prank. Patrick come from all over.
Look at in the background.
Who in the background? Nobody in the background. It's just me and you. You're confused.
No.
A joke, baby girl.
Let me know my friend.
Don't worry about that, a joke. She like fat chick. Fuck that. Yeah. Big up for your money gun. Big up.